This is the Cliff Notes version of my first lecture to general psychology in the Joint International Program in Psychology at Chulalongkorn University in Bangkok, Thailand. My name is Jason Luddington on mindsets for growth. There are two basic mindsets that people can hold: a growth mindset and a fixed mindset. If you hold a growth mindset, you believe that growth is possible, that you can grow, that you are growing, and that you can continue to grow as long as you want. If you have a fixed mindset, you probably felt that you were growing and have grown but are not growing any longer for whatever reason. You might think that you can't grow anymore because you're already mature or have already learned all that you need to. It's true that once one's cup is full, it's hard to put more liquid in the cup. But I want you to know that a growth mindset is always possible, no matter who you are. If you think that you are not capable of growth anymore, you are right. Our own belief in our potential for growth affects whether or not we grow. Belief basically dictates what is true in this case. Your mindset, whether it be a growth mindset or a fixed mindset, affects your movement or stagnancy on 5 dimensions of life, which are called 5 stances. They're stances because they indicate where you stand on each of these 5. They are optimism, resilience, persistence, flexibility, and empathy. All of these 5 are very important for your ultimate success and development in life, in various domains such as career, love, etc. And if you have a growth mindset, you are inclined to make positive gains that will contribute to your own better success and happiness in life on these 5 dimensions, and their repercussions on the rest of your life. So another thing I want to talk to you about is narratives. Narratives are stories that we tell ourselves. We come into the world first without any narratives, but our parents provide those narratives for us. They tell us what's happening and why, and that is the basic essence of the narrative. It tells what is happening and why. And you have narratives for everything in your past, present, and future. We can be pretty confident about what is happening using our eyes and our senses, but the why things are happening, that is where our pre-existing beliefs come in and influence how we interpret our own behavior and that of others. So the narrative is critical for explaining and interpreting everything. Do you suppose that our narratives are influenced by our mindset and the 5 stances? Certainly. Our lens or our narrative is influenced by our personal confidence, our habits, our attitudes, our fears. By shifting our mindset and our stances toward growth, we improve our narratives gradually, and we little by little discard our irrational beliefs, our own self-doubts, and our negative opinions and attitudes. So I would like to encourage everyone that's listening out there, trust that you are capable of growth. The growth mindset begins with belief and it continues with belief. Your belief in your own growth or lack thereof, explains why you are or aren't growing in any and all domains of life. Hope to see you again.